Hey guys, Brandon with the Boathouse. Today we're at the Lauderdale Lakes location. We're sitting on the 2026 Bennington 22S. This one's complete with Bennington's brand new Sport Upholstery Package for the S-Line. A lot of really awesome things to show you guys. Let's jump up into the boat and we'll run through them. All right guys, so one of the new and exclusive features here to this Sport Upholstery Package is gonna be a fiberglass helm. I think they've done a really good job here. We've got some very sport inspired styling with our fiberglass helm, this acrylic windshield, pretty tech forward here in the form of a Garmin unit, but at the same time, we're gonna retain some functionality here that we're used to on the S-Line. Moving to the rear of the boat here, this one's equipped with one of my favorite floor plans here. This is gonna be the Swingback, complete with that signature rear lounger, one of my personally favorite floor plans in the Bennington lineup. And this one, gonna take it a step farther with that Sport Upholstery Package we're talking about here. You're gonna get a really nice look at where some of those extra dollars are gonna go in terms of some added styling here on our backrest, some diamond pressed upholstery. Overall, just gonna take what's already an incredible floor plan, and furniture layout here, and we're gonna just take that to the next level with some interior upgrades here in the form of the Sport Package. It's up here towards the bow of the boat. You're gonna get another good look here at this Sport Upholstery Package. And another one of my big features here in terms of someone who's spending a lot of time out on the water, something that gets easily overlooked here, but in my opinion is a really awesome feature that they've given you guys on this boat here, is some recessed cup holders and accessory storage here. Now, whether I'm rolling around with my wallet, phone, keys, sunglasses, there's always plenty of stuff it seems like I'm bringing onto the boat over the summer. This little recessed area here is something that I thought was just a really nice feature Bennington's been sneaking in here on more and more of their models. Just provides a lot of functionality. All right guys, again, my name is Brandon with the Boathouse of Lauderdale Lakes. I appreciate you guys tuning in here for a little bit today to check out Bennington's 22S, complete with their Sport Upholstery Package. If you're looking for a boat that's gonna marry style, comfort, and versatility, I think this is definitely a boat that can check a lot of boxes for a lot of people. We'll have this boat at the Milwaukee Boat Show. Stay tuned on a lot of our socials for updates regarding the boat shows as well. And if you're looking to come and learn more about this boat or any of the other incredible Benningtons that we already have in stock, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of the talented members of the Boathouse team. Thanks.